Crate no yobsters and no talk zone, shut your mouth. Mastermind behind the escape plan. Home records and causing mass destruction. Backflip at least 20 times and I might show off. You can see it up her skirt, tattoo come down the thigh. Railroads in the sea completed out her service. And you got no control on the wheel, but I still sped up. Take calls of the bitch actions, got me too fed up. Try to return me a favor, show me a honey bun for this like 20,000. Show me dollars paid off for that Maserati. I'm just trying to clear my head before the second time. Shorty take a breather in with all that mouth on it. Alcatraz, island security prison. How the fuck you gonna escape without this H2O? Jump in that water, the only way we float. Jump in that water, the only way we flow. Bitch, try to go clear your head, go drink some H2O. I would've put on the side of the window of that Aston Martin. Crazy about my little bitch, she as good as Megan Fox. When we talk about movement, bitch, I'm already hit. When we talk about movement, bitch, I'm ready to head. Ain't no Fifi on that block, charge the came to the fatty. My brunette, they out like Tatiana. Might fly out for the Benihana. Fit Blue safe for Pop Cam Monaco. I done made all this shit off of missing. I been tripping off of mixing. I was out here Oxycontin without no lean. I was out here Dr. Fate without no dream. Can't even face the tanner without new saline. But I'm still for it. I can't even make my mind up, but I'm still going. Every time I keep on going, I just keep flowing. Can't even mix up time, can't mix up every damn day, every damn dollar. Trap hard, trap scholar. Make more money than your damn mama and your father. I should slap my uncle, nigga. Ain't even got no control on the wheel, but I still sped up. Take calls of the bitch actions, it got me too fed up. Try to return me a favor, show me a honey bun for at least like 20,000. Show me dollars paid off for that Maserati. This is no talk zone, so shut your mouth. This is no talk zone, so shut your mouth. This is no talk zone, so shut your mouth. Peace.